Downloading data from TripCom can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here is a simple guide to help you through it. Step 1. Create an account. Visit TripCom and sign up for an account if you don't already have one. This will allow you to access your travel data and bookings. Step 2. Log in. Once your account is created, log in using your credentials. This will take you to your personal dashboard where you can view your bookings and travel information. Step 3. Access your bookings. Navigate to the My Bookings section of your account. Here, you will find a list of all your past and upcoming trips, along with relevant details. Step 4. Select data to download. Choose the specific booking or data you want to download. Look for options such as download itinerary or export data to proceed. Step 5. Save the data. Follow the prompts to save the data to your device. Ensure you select the appropriate file format if prompted, and choose a location on your device where you can easily find the downloaded file. By following these steps, you can easily download your data from TripCom. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.